In this digital world, it is crucial to have a top-notch website and watch your business grow. Let's just be honest. Building a website has never been this easy. Thanks to artificial intelligence for creating this ease. AI has made it possible for you to create your own website without any trouble. In this video, I'll be guiding you the step-by-step procedure for building your own website with Tome.io, so let's get into it. First thing you need to do is choose a great website builder. Tome.io is a one-stop solution website builder that offers amazing AI-powered features. Before you begin creating your website, you must be clear with the purpose. Ask yourself, why are you building this website? What do you want to achieve with this website? Next is to plan out the content of your website. This includes anything. It could be pages, images, and any other media. An important tip here is be very mindful when choosing an AI-powered design. Choose a design that utilizes AI algorithms to create custom designs that cater to your target audience. I suggest you consider adding AI-powered features, such as chatbots or personalized product recommendations. This will help you enhance the user experience, thus more and more people will visit your website. Additionally, to get the most out of it, optimize your website for search engines using AI algorithms to analyze website performance data and suggest optimizations. Launch your website and continue to refine and optimize it over time using AI tools and algorithms. By following these steps, you can build a website that utilizes AI to enhance the user experience, increase engagement and conversions, and provide personalized experiences for each user. Tome.io is a great website builder that offers an AI-powered platform for building and launching websites. To create a website with Tome.io, sign up to Tome.io. Create a Tome.io account and sign into the platform. Next, you need to choose a template. For this, just browse through the available templates and select one that best fits your needs. Don't forget to customize your website. Customize the chosen template to suit your brand and the purpose of your website. Tome.io offers an intuitive drag-and-drop editor and AI-powered design suggestions to help you create a professional-looking website. Add content whatsoever it is, text, images, and other media to your website to make it visually appealing and informative. Now your website's ready to get published. Once you're satisfied with your website, publish it to make it live and accessible to the public. I personally love Tome.io's AI-powered features. Its personalized design suggestions and optimized website performance make it a great platform for creating a website that provides an engaging user experience. In case you're wondering how fruitful AI is for startups, businesses, and enterprises, let me explain this for you. AI has automated many repetitive and time-consuming tasks in website development, freeing up developers' time for more strategic and creative tasks. Well, AI is literally everywhere. From website designing to content creations, personalization to optimization, and chatbots creation, artificial intelligence has your back. AI plays a huge role in website designing. Its algorithms help analyzing user data and create custom designs that cater to specific target audiences. Not only that, AI can assist in generating website content, such as product descriptions and blog articles. With AI, you can personalize website experiences by recommending products, content, and offers based on individual user behavior. You can analyze your website's performance data with AI and suggest optimizations to improve user experience and increase conversions. We're all familiar with website chatbots, and it's hard not to appreciate its importance. AI-powered chatbots not only provide 24/7 customer support, but also help resolve your queries instantly and guide visitors through the website. Without a doubt, AI is transforming the website development industry by automating routine tasks, personalizing experiences, optimizing performance, and improving customer service. Hope you get some value out of this video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to smash the bell icon and hit the subscribe button to get yourself aware of the advancing AI world.